So this is the EcoSmart high output floodlight. It goes from 2700K soft white down to up to 5000K daylight with this little switch on the side. So you can read the little numbers. I like bright. So you just twist this thing. I'm going to leave it on bright and install it in the outside floodlight. It's made in China, has a 10-year warranty, so make sure you take a picture of your information either through Home Depot or EcoSmart. For use with LED compatible light dimmers, so it'll work on the dimmer, which is nice. Okay, let's go try it. I installed it in the floodlight. I have to admit I dropped this on the compost, on the mulch. Hope it still works. Looks nice. See, it has a nice clean white light to it. I like that. Ground white. It's not yellow. Hard to see it with the glare. A lot of nice light out to the yard.